So now let's add the functionality to like and unlike a post. And from this file, I'm going to export a function like post, and we're going to have an async function. And here we are going to receive the post ID, user ID, the user who is logged in, his ID, set likes, and also we are going to create a boolean here with the like, and by default it is going to be true. So if we do not pass in any value for this like, by default value of true is going to be taken. So here inside try catch, if there is any error, I'm just going to alert the user, call in the catch errors function, and pass in the error. So inside the try block, we are going to check if like, that means the user wants to like the post. In that case, we are going to make the request axios.post, and our URL is going to be /API/posts and /like and our post ID which we are receiving inside the parameters. So after this request is made, we are going to set the likes previous, and here we are going to return an array spread the previous and pass an object, and the key is going to be user and the value is going to be user ID. So if I show you the model, post model, we have this likes array here, and inside here we have an object with the user and the ID of the user. And after this, else if not like, that means the user wants to unlike the post, await axios.put, it is a put request, and our route is /API/posts/unlike and the post ID, and we're going to call the set likes previous, and we're going to filter the array. So previous.filter like.user not equals to user ID. So it will filter out the likes array and remove the like of the user who is logged in. So if you do not want to use this boolean syntax here of creating this boolean right here and checking for this like and not like, you can create a separate function for unliking the post, but I'm going to follow this approach. So now let's import this function inside our card post component and like post, and on this card.content extra we have this icon right here. This is for a like, and we are going to have an on click on it. It is going to be a function like post, and we are going to pass in the post ID. So post._id, user ID is going to be user._id, set likes, the function which we have for the state, and for the boolean we are going to check if isLid is equals to true, we are going to pass in the false, otherwise we are going to pass in the true. So if isLid is equals to true, we are passing in false, because if it is true right here, isLid is equals to true, that means the user has already liked the post, and if he clicks on this icon right here, he wants to unlike the post. So that's why we are passing in the false here. Otherwise we are passing in the true. So now let's check if it works. I'm going to refresh and let's like this post, and you can see the like is added, and if I refresh, the like is there, and we have already liked this post back when we were testing our API. So let's remove this like, and now if I refresh, you can see right here the post has been unliked and this one stays liked. So now in the next video, we are going to start working on adding functionality for posting and deleting comments. So I will see you in the next video.